Here we are entering the house. We're coming into the large dining area and a living area with a fireplace, one of 3 fireplaces. And this carries out into your outdoor patio. This outdoor patio extends the length of the house. So on the other side is a bedroom with access to the patio, sitting area in the patio, some dining, some more dining in the patio. And from here we're going to go into the kitchen. There's a large kitchen with a little breakfast table, beautiful hardwood cabinets, enough room for a double wide refrigerator, walk-in pantry, and this steps out to another outdoor eating area, garden. This house is a combination of hard crystal hardwood floors and tile floors. This is a little apartment for a caretaker. Does not include a kitchen, has a sitting area, 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And it connects to your porch, so your carport. So you have easy access to the kitchen straight from your carport. And this is a linen closet, large linen closet. Now we're going to go around. At the entranceway there is a bathroom, a half bath, right at the entranceway. It's lots of storage, lots of closets and areas, storage. We're coming into one of the bedrooms with a private seating area. Large bedroom with access to the porch. So you have outdoor access, lots of windows. Has a little private office. And it has your bathroom. Large bathroom, echoey bathroom. This is a walk-in closet. Large walk-in closet or storage. And this is the door to the outdoor pool. I can't open it right now, but this door leads to the outdoor pool. So you have direct access from the pool into the bedroom. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Lots of light in this house. Lots of windows. So here's another large living area. It's being used as a gym right now, workout area. And now we're going into a bedroom. Full bath. And a nice small bedroom. We're going around to the other side. And we have another balcony. And we're going into another bedroom. Also with access to a balcony and a full bath with a jacuzzi. Hey, full bath with a jacuzzi and a shower. And here is the fourth bedroom. Lots of closet space. With a full bath. Nice big shower. So this is the second floor. We have another fireplace. And now we're going to go upstairs again. And this is the beautiful winding staircase that gives you that tower that you see from the outside of the house. And now we're in the uppermost level. And this is a beautiful area to have parties. Incredible view. It's got the view of the volcano. And the wildlife here. You have the view. It's called the Palmar Cut, where you can see the sunset on the Nicoya Peninsula, view of the city. And here under roof is another large dining area with the barbecue and a sink and another half bath. And the sound of the river. We're going to take a walk down to the river. This is part of a compound. Really nice neighbors. And as you can see, it's very quiet except for the nature. And as you can see, we do have some solar panels. And this does contribute to lowering the electric bill. We are now on the upper balcony. And this is where the two bedrooms open out onto this. So you have the bedroom and the sitting room both open out to this small balcony. It's a fantastic view. Okay, let's go outside and check out the pool and go for a walk in the gardens. Okay, here we are. We just got out of the kitchen and now we're going to take a walk. I've never been on this walk, so we'll see what it's like. We have these little steps dug in. You can see everything's closed off. Okay, I'm taking you with me all the way down to the river. I can hear it's getting closer. A lot of wildlife in here, birds if you're into birding. Another pathway coming up. That connects to another house. These walkways are shared by different homes. It is a communal situation. You have the opportunity to be a part of the community with a shared expense of maintenance, but this includes maintenance of your grounds, maintenance of your house, electricity, plumbing, roofing, construction. It is a monthly fee you can opt out of, but if you like the idea of having trusted workers that know the houses very well and are there on call, on demand to help you with your houses. See, there's a gate from another house. And now we're down to the river. You can continue this walk